If you're looking for dog crates XL, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Crates XL. Number 1, Most Popular, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Midwest Homes for Pets. Number 3, by BestPet. For more details about these products, just click this circle. Number 4, by New World Crates. Number 5, by Aspenpet Pet Porter. Find these dog crates XL at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Petco. Number 7, by Guardian. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Confidence. Number 9, by Best Pet Supplies Incorporated. Discover more dog crates XL ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Pet.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.